Your CineMate system lets you enjoy TV in a whole new way. And you'll be up and running in no time after a few simple steps. In this video, we'll use the CineMate 120 system, but the steps are similar for these other CineMate systems. First, we'll add the rubber feet to the Acoustimass module. These help prevent scratches and keep the module from moving on a smooth floor. Peel the backing off each rubber foot and attach it like this. When you're done, plug the power cord into the module. Then turn the module upright and place it where you want it, preferably near a wall or corner for the best performance. Then plug the other end of the power cord into the wall. Next, we'll connect the soundbar speaker to the console. The two-pronged end of the speaker cable fits into the slots labeled Speaker Connections on the console. Note that the CineMate 130 system is different. It has a single 9-pin connector. The other end goes into the soundbar. Note that the type of connection may differ depending on your system. Next, we'll connect the console to your TV using the included HDMI cable. Plug one end into the TV connector on the console and the other into an HDMI connector on your TV, the one marked ARC or Audio Return Channel if your TV has it. This allows you to hear audio from your TV's built-in tuner or a smart app such as Netflix or YouTube. If your TV doesn't support HDMI ARC, but you'd still like to hear audio from your tuner or smart app, you'll need to make a secondary audio connection. First, you'll need to purchase either an optical, coaxial, or analog stereo cable, in that order of preference. We'll use an optical cable here. Make sure to remove any protective covers before making connections. Plug one end into the optical input of the console, using the two notches on the side to line it up. And make sure it's fully seated. You should feel a slight click. Then plug the other end into the back of the TV. Connect your source devices such as your cable box, Blu-ray player, or game system to the console by HDMI. The CineMate console has 4 HDMI inputs, 3 assigned to the most common sources. You may find that your CineMate remote immediately operates functions from these HDMI sources, thanks to a feature called CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control. To learn more about this and using the universal remote in detail, see our how-to video on this subject. If your device doesn't have an HDMI output, you can connect its audio to the console using one of the 3 secondary inputs and the video to your TV. See your device's owner's guide for details on these connections. Incidentally, when you use non-HDMI audio cables with your CineMate system, you'll need to assign the input to the appropriate source in the system menu. Your CineMate owner's guide covers these and other settings your system allows. Now it's almost showtime. Plug one end of the remaining power cord into the control console and the other end into an available outlet. Now make sure the batteries are in the remote, point it toward the console, and press the power button. Next, to ensure the best possible audio performance, run the ADAPTIQ function. It will customize the sound of the system to the acoustics of your room. First, place the headset on your head and insert the cable into this connector on the right side of the console. Press System on the remote and scroll to number 14 on the menu, ADAPTIQ. Follow the voice prompts until the system completes the process. Now you're ready to kick back and enjoy your favorite TV shows, sports, movies, and games as never before. For more product tips, visit youtube.com/Bose.